What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank be chopping, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, we're actually gonna be doing an unboxing, and we're actually gonna be unboxing the new Supreme Trimmer Tea Fader. Let's get it. So this is the Supreme Trimmer Tea Fader. As y'all can see, y'all check that out. This is the box that it comes in. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it does really resemble the Andis Research Shaver, but who's to say this thing doesn't work good? So we finna unbox this for y'all on camera. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Unfortunately, I will not be doing my initial thoughts on this because obviously I'm not gonna be using it just yet, but I will be updating y'all with the review later on. But let's go ahead and open up this box. So it does got some plastic on it. We're just gonna take that off. So it does come in a nice packaged box, you know what I'm saying? Check that out. So on the back, it has different accessories. It does have a classic blade included. It has a Japanese etching blade that's sold separately, and then an aloe vera strip that's also sold separately. So they have different accessories you can purchase for this, sold separately. You can purchase it at supremetrimmer.com. So let's check out this part of the box, see what it says. Precision cutter head, ultra thin knife net, lock function, rotation clogging protection, lithium battery, powerful motor, USB charging. It's waterproof, you can use it wet and dry. Comes with a charging stand and fast charge. So that's what the box says. Once again, I ain't used it yet, so I don't even know yet, but let's go ahead and open this up so y'all can check it out. So I do like that they got these little words right here, you know what I'm saying? Tea Fader, barber approved, barber suggested. And then on this side, it says Tea Fader, the world's trimmer company. So it does come with, you know, the little booklet. I don't ever really look at, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Let's take out the actual Tea Fader. And that's it right here. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this thing actually looks really good. Look at that. That's the head on it. So it does look really similar to the Andis Research, just straight out the box. We're gonna have to put it to use later on. I'll let y'all know what I think about that. But let's see what else comes in this box. So as you can see, nothing else in there. Let's put this to the side. Let's open up this box. So we got the charging brick, we got the charging cord, we got a little cleaning brush that I probably am never gonna use, and we got the charging stand. I do like that it comes with a charging stand. That's pretty dope. And that's all that comes in the box. So here is the Supreme Trimmer Tea Fader Shaver. Still ain't turned it on yet. Once again, I like that it comes with a stand. Here's the power plug that you plug the power cord into, or you can plug it straight into the bottom of the shaver. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So I like that right there. I like that it lets you know how much charged it is. And as you can see straight out the box, it comes fully charged. It does sound pretty quiet, you know what I'm saying, which is tight. Let's take this off. I don't like this plastic. But let's take that off so we can get a better look at the screen. So you don't necessarily, so you have to actually like hold the button a little bit before you turn it on. So you can't just press it. So me pressing it doesn't turn it on. But if you hold it, it then turns it on. And then you gotta hold it to turn it off. But other than that, guys, pretty dope. I do wish that this part of the shaver had some like grip on it. It does feel a little slippery, but we're gonna have to see how that works when we're actually putting it to use in the shop. I like this part right here. I don't know, man, it looks pretty dope. We're gonna have to give this a go, and I'll let y'all know once I actually use it what I actually think about it. But as of right now, I think it looks tight. I'm excited to use it. But yeah, guys, that's basically everything that comes in this box. I'm not exactly sure how much this is. They did reach out to me and send this to me. So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, I'm actually gonna be putting this to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know if it's worth buying or not. So fresh out the box, here is the shaver. Once again, guys, I really like the ergonomics of it. It looks nice. I like the all black on it. Sounds good once you turn it on. I'm excited to use it, guys. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. I will be putting this to use this week, and I will be coming out with a video later on letting y'all know what I think about this actual shaver. But other than that, guys, that's basically it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.